Wi-Fi. eSIM, eSIM, tilde. Best price found for eSIM in HK. All I need to do is scan the QR code in the voucher and it's all set up. All it take is a minute or two after the setup for network to be registered. No problem with the speed with normal usage. I recommend this eSIM. Everything worked perfectly in China. The installation was easy and the signal was. The installation was completed and the signal was received while the plane was still taxiing. Everything went great. Very good and easy to use. Easy to install, fast internet speed, and stable internet connection in the subway. High-speed internet. Can share among family members too. The voucher was sent quickly and was easy to use. Or continue to use. The price is favorable. There is only one 4G frequency band, but the speed test speed is 40 downloads and 31 uploads, which is far higher than some Shopee all-you-can-eat network cards priced at 49 yuan for 5 days. It is sometimes unstable, but it feels good when used, and you can also share it at will. Buy and use as you go, email reception is enabled. Great customer service and the data plan provided allow us to use Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and any other social media in China swiftly. Will definitely recommend other people to use this service as this data plan saved me from research and buying VPN. Although sometimes slower. Generally acceptable. It is also easy to use. I bought this during my trip to Hong Kong and the installation was super easy. Highly recommend. The network is stable and unobstructed. I have searched so many places and this one is the cheapest. Here I had some concerns about the network card traffic. I contacted customer service and they helped to deal with it and made good improvements. Overall, it was fast and smooth and had good after-sales service.